What are you doing?
I'm taking my shoes off and I'm walking.
I think you have to yell because it's very windy. You're gonna take your shoes off and what? Aurora, Baler, baby, there's no one here.
Woo!
Yay!
Kapoli, we are in
Baler!
Baler, baby. So how's the weather change here in different Quirino?
It's crazy. The weather's so hot. I'm already getting a tan going. Mother, are you hot back there?
I'm hot and full from Buko Pie.
Can you show everybody the Buko Pie we got? What does it look like?
Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely freshly delicious. Creamy, delicious.
Was it a nice drive?
It's a beautiful drive heading out here to Baler. The roads are so nice.
Is it your first time going to Baler Aurora?
It's my first time coming to Baler Aurora. I'm looking forward to what the beach has to offer. And I'm looking forward to trying some of their local dishes here.
Which is?
Well, I heard it's the calamari that's very delicious. And the other thing we heard they have here is
Yellowfin
grilled
tuna.
yellowfin tuna. Yeah. Yellowfin ihaw.
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 She's getting closer. I think she's going to pet them. Looks like Gindleman, look.
Kind of looks like Gaspé a bit.
Really?
Yeah. So when you go to Gaspé, you're gonna see, like you drive along the coast like that.
Yeah.
Kapoli, we are on the ocean side.
Philippine Sea.
Hey.
Facing the Philippine Sea.
Yes.
Facing the Philippine Sea here in Aurora, Baler. It's our first time. It's so nice to have this weather. Look how red I am. Come on, she's gonna try.
Rambutan.
Rambutan. So there's a seed in the middle. You kind of just chew the outside. You can put the whole thing in your mouth and just. Yay or nay?
Yay.
Yay. Rambutan. Okay. How much is it per kilo here?
80.
80 per kilo. That's pretty good. Oh, it's already packed.
Hindi po. Tinimbang ko lang po.
She can try the green one.
Yeah, the green ones.
Talaga nagustuhan na mabilis nila.
It's so good. You like that one? It's good. The rambutan, the taste is like juicy, like a lychee almost. Yeah, it's good. You tried it. So no. This is not a joke. I swear it's not a joke again. But we were told that the green ones taste better than the red ones, and I want you to tell us why.
How do I open it?
So,
It looks like a.
So you squeeze it really hard.
Okay.
Squeeze it really hard.
Like this. So this is the where they got it, like the stem. So you squeeze it here. Just put your thumb over. Then you squeeze it. Oops, sorry.
See, she got hers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then you just pierce it like that.
You can't force it out. You can't squeeze it out.
It has a little hat on it.
Put it in your mouth.
You can't squeeze it? Yeah. Oh, okay. Taste that one.
Bit more sour.
A bit more sour, okay. But we were told that the flesh is easier. You can actually take the flesh off the fruit, unlike the other one where you can't really eat it.
I like the red one better.
You like the red one better. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, if you can compare this rambutan with another fruit, which one would it be?
A sweet candy.
A sweet candy. Oh, not bad. some sea in your hair and on your glasses for once. Sea salt. You haven't been by the ocean in almost a month.
Yeah.
So good to be here, guys. All right, we're at our first restaurant here of the day. Taste Buds here in Baler, guys. We're gonna order some stuff up. Let's go. And we're gonna try one of their local vegetables out here, guys. And my mom knows what it is, and I actually don't remember the name, but she's telling me it starts with an F. And I got fiddle.
But what's the name?
Fiddle. So in I guess in Tagalog they call it pako.
Okay.
Pako.
So it
But
starts
it's
with
fiddle
an F.
something. Fiddle ferns. Fiddle heads. Fiddle heads. Okay. Okay, it's from here. Have you ever had them before in Canada? No? Yes, no. Okay, I don't know. A native vegetable here in Baler. We've got this beautiful view. Oh.
We've got this beautiful view.
Beautiful truck driving by. The ocean here is awesome. Sorry guys for the wind. Here we go again. My mother's got her friend again. Wherever she goes.
Cheers to the first
Cheers,
year in
mother.
Baler.
Cheers.
Mother, so what did we get here? In your own words, what did we get?
Rice.
Okay.
Calamari.
Yeah.
Fish fingers.
Fish fingers, which smell delicious.
And I have no idea what that is.
Oh, what's that?
It looks like eggplant.
Yeah, eggplants.
And calamansi.
Calamansi.
And onions.
And
tomatoes.
tomato. That's the
Ensalada.
Ensalada. Not to be confused with ensaimada.
Ensalada is salad. Salad talong.
Yay! So, what do we have here, guys?
It's fiddle what?
Fiddleheads or paku.
Fiddleheads.
Okay. She says they're fiddleheads. I don't know if they're fiddleheads. They don't really look like that. So I'm gonna try a little piece here. I'll try one first. Okay. Can we get some other reactions?
This is the fish.
Mama, you
fish
try.
sauce.
Just have a piece of it. Okay, so the local food here, Paco. Tastes like a green vegetable?
Tastes like grass.
Okay. Zarina, what do you think?
But
Nice.
it's good though.
Nice.
Yeah,
and
it's
crunchy.
fresh. Okay guys, please help us out. My mother thought these were fiddleheads. Zarina thought they were fiddleheads. They're not fiddleheads. The Tagalog name is Paco. Someone please help us.
Fennel. Fennel.
Fennel. Now we're going
fern.
fennel. Come on guys, comment. Tell us what this is, please. I really want her to try this sauce. Mama, you have to try this sauce. Okay? I just want you to dip that fork in it. It's okay. Or this one. Dip your fork in this one. This one's mine. I'm your son. Just dip it in and taste it. Tell me what it tastes like. Please, just dip it like that. Yeah, that's it. Taste.
Oh,
Oh, come on. Come on. What is it, Zarina?
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
no,
Okay.
but it tastes like
What?
tastes very fishy.
It is fresh. Okay, it's supposed to be served with this fish sauce, which the mother won't have. Okay, guys, meal number 1. We have a lot more to do here in Baler, but we have tons of cool stuff to show you. Peace out, guys.